All right, question number 4 kind of tones it down on the difficulty. Since they both have the same index, we can actually combine this into one big radical. It doesn't change the numbers at all. Now, I know it seems kind of confusing because like sometimes we split and we want to actually do this form, and sometimes it's okay to go ahead and put them together. So how do you know which case is the case? Which one are you going to do? Are you going to want to split it up, or are you going to want to combine it? Well, sometimes it just takes some trial and error. So there is no perfect answer to say, oh, well, this is always going to work, where you're always going to put this together in one big radical, because you might see a problem like this, and you might need to be eliminating the radical on the bottom by splitting it up or finding the conjugate. But in this case, because 81 divides by 3 evenly, that's why we want to put it under one big radical. Because 81 divided by 3 is 27, and 27 is a perfect cube. And doing this, I've eliminated the bottom because 81 divided by 3 evenly. So to answer that question of how do you know when you're going to split it up or when you're going to put it together under one radical, the only simple answer I can give is that if it divides evenly, it's best to put it under one radical. If it doesn't divide evenly, then you want to keep going this route. So for the cube root of 27, well, that's just 3. That answers this radical question.